Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Leah and we are going to do another unboxing video. Last week I did unboxing. I did unbox I watched series 6, but today I've got a package from my Kenyan friend. We went to school, we went to high school together, and she does crochet, so she sent me a package and I'm so excited. I want to unbox it or unpackage it with you guys, so let's do it. So guys, here's the package. It's not open. I'm gonna unbox with you guys. Okay, let's do it. So my friend does crochet, so you should expect something from crochet, something that has been crocheted. It's actually I'm excited. It's something she does, like I think kind of for a living. It's not just something she does for fun, and she does a good job. So that's why I wanted to do this video and promote her work. Okay, so we've got this. She crocheted herself. Oh my god, look at this. This is oh my goodness, do you see this? So I'm gonna try it on. This is wow, this is her work, like she did it by herself. So she crocheted this. Wow. And then so I ordered for this, and then I ordered, this is another top. I'm gonna try it on. This is for summer, so guys, you'll see when I try it on. Okay, so there's this. So expect something like this for the top. Last one is a scarf. I was thinking of a scarf. So let's see what we got here. And oh my god, in Kenya they no longer use plastics, they use this, you know. I was last in Kenya 3 years ago, and I miss everything about home. Home sweet home. Here I'm in California currently, we still use plastic, and in Kenya things are different. They're kind of conserving the environment, so I miss this. Yeah, so guys, this is a scarf. I've got this. I love it. That's how the scarf look like, and that's Marion, the one who crochet. I've got this. I love it. This is a top, and by the way, the time is 9 p.m. It's night time, but still I wanna rock this. Yeah, so let's try it. Guys, look at this. Oh, my zip is open. Okay, guys, just look at this design. Do you see that? You see that? Oh my god, this is so cute. Ooh, this is awesome. Ooh, so cute, right? It's handmade, crocheted. Wow, I love it. Look at that, guys, so beautiful. And actually you can get it in different colors. For me, I chose yellow, but there are different colors. See that, guys? Let me know what you think. It's so pretty, right? So guys, that's it for this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. I'll put her description. Actually, she has a YouTube channel. I'll put her YouTube link on the description box below. Just check it out. I'll it's Marion Crochet. I'll also put a Facebook link. And you can, you can inbox her, ask her what the price and everything, but she does this herself. It's handmade and she does a good job. So if you love it, go to her inbox. Okay, thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I hope to see you next week. The next unboxing video I'll do, actually I bought a new car, Honda Civic. I want to just kind of show you the features. So the next video I might do is kind of unboxing it. Okay, hope to see you next time. Remember to click on that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I'll see you next time. Thanks guys, see ya, bye.